Hello, this is a tutorial which is a part of the course Software Hardware Co-Design. In this tutorial, we are going to use the PMOD port on the ZIBO board by using the GPIO PMOD IP, which is provided from the DigiLent company. Okay, our objective is to add the DigiLent library repository from the GitHub, and then we will create a hardware design in which we will access the onboard PMOD ports, which we can see them here. As you can see, we're talking about these PMOD ports. For example, number 5 is a MIO PMOD port, which is multiple input output. Number 8 is a standard PMOD port. 12, which contains these 3 PMOD. This is a high-speed PMOD port. And the 15 is a XDAC PMOD, which is basically a digital analog converter. Okay, let's get started. In order to do so, first we need to download the libraries. I have the link already provided for you here. By going to the link, go to the column, download it. Okay, this one is finished. Let's see. Okay, we need to extract this somewhere. Just copy the location and let's extract it. Okay, while this is extracting, we need to go to the Vivado, create a new project. Next, name the project PMOD test, something like. Next, do not specify sources at this time. Make sure this is ticked. Next, just go to the boards. Our board is ZIBO. Select next and finish. Okay, the extraction is also finished. So now we need to do something here, which is setting of the project IP, repository, add, and here we go to the Vivado library, select the whole folder and press select. It will search for all the IPs in that folder, and here we can see that 56 new IPs detected and 2 new interfaces. PMOD. Okay, and okay. Okay, so now to test that we can use this GPIO PMOD, we create a block design. Okay, and wait for this. Okay. Press add IP. Link processing system. Run block automation. Keep everything as default. After that, your design should look like this. The next step is to add the PmodGPIO. By right click, add IP, and we can just type in PmodGPIO. Okay, here we can see that every PmodGPIO can represent one of the ports, JA through JE, which these ports, if you recall, are here. Okay, we'll go back to the Vivado. Now we can go to the board, this tab, and then on the Pmod, for example, we will use the JB. We will just select the JB and connect port component. And as you can see, it just detected the PmodGPIO 0, which is this guy. We're going to connect to it. And JB connected to the Pmod. And that's it. From here, we will run connection automation. Regenerate. And as you can see, we generate the base design by using the PmodGPIO and using one of these Pmod ports, which in our case was JB. After this step, we can simply go to the source and create the HTL wrapper. And from here we can pretty much generate the bit stream and import it, export this to the SDK and continue our work from there. Or if you want to do more customization, you can just go to the Open Elaborated Design, which in this case will take a little bit time, and I will pause the video until I can pass this step, and I will continue the explanation after that. Okay, at this time my elaborated design is finished and it's loading. So let's see. Okay. Those are okay. Okay, we now go to here and select the I/O planning. Okay, let's see. In the I/O planning, for example, we chose the JB. You can go to the JB. The direction has been set to in, out, which means that it can be either input or output, or any of the ports. So as you can see, the ports, the pin ports are defined here. The direction is set as input, output, and also the package pin. So here you can customize in case that you need to change anything or you need to change the arrangement of the pins. So for example, in case that we need to just customize the pins, as you can see here, this is the arrangement of the pins. So each of these Pmods have 12 pins, and as you can see, the first 4 pins in any row is the signal pin, and the next row is the ground and the VCC. So we can, for example, if you are using a type of a male connection that will be in the future will be connected to this female connection, if the pins are not matched, we can change the arrangement in the Vivado. In here we can just change the pins to anything we want and just change the arrangement. And after that, just remember that after you change anything here, because at this point, at the point of any customization, we need a new constraint file, so we need to go here and save the constraints. Here, you can just specify any name, and it will be added to your project. As you can see, here is our new constraint file, but for now it's almost the same. But in case that you just changed anything, it will be added here, and we need it to export the hardware later. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you for your attention.